Meanwhile, France's political leaders have praised the work of caregivers, saying that without them, many more lives would have been lost. Some health workers say their recognition comes after weeks of battling personal protective equipment shortages and uncertain working conditions. Our correspondent Anelise Borges spoke with one caregiver who remains committed to work as the public health crisis continues.
Cécile's arrival means Joëlle will finally get to start her day.
They're my only link to the outside world, and they do everything I can't do for myself, from A to Z.
Cécile and a team of nurses and cleaners provide essential care for the 62-year-old who's been diagnosed with a disabling neurological disorder and can't walk, wash, or cook by herself. But for the past month, the team of helpers have also become a potential threat to Joëlle's health. And that, Cécile says, has been the hardest thing to deal with.
I'm not afraid of getting sick, but my biggest fear is to be sick, not present symptoms, and contaminate people, that the consequences of the virus could be way more serious.
Cécile is part of a team of 18,000 people who make up France's largest provider of care and household work, a mission they weren't always able to honor during the pandemic.
There
were heart-wrenching cases because we were forced to abandon clients because we didn't have any PPE. When it comes down to protecting my employees and accompanying my clients, the choice has to be made. I protect my employees. And so when we don't have the elements of protection, we inform the regional health agency, we inform the local authorities, and we tell the clients we can't come. So either they have the PPE to give us and we can carry out our work, or you don't have them and we won't intervene.
The coronavirus pandemic has killed over 220,000 people worldwide. Among them, frontline workers such as caregivers, who represent a lifeline for people with disabilities and the elderly. Often invisible workers, they have been rediscovered as an essential part of society during the crisis. The question now is, will their efforts continue to be valued once the pandemic is gone? Anelise Borges, Euronews.